Welcome to Anseft ABC channel. Here is how to use AI to fix low-resolution photos without losing quality. Let's check the low-resolution photos first. Run Upscaler's Photo Enhancer AI to start fixing low-resolution photos. Click on the Browse button to add one or multiple low-resolution photos to the program. There are 5 AI models for your option. Simply select the Upscale model to go forward. You can also click on Scale to select to upscale small photos to 200%, 300%, and 400%. Click on the eye icon. And drag the slider bar to preview the upscaling effect. Click on the left little square icon to crop a photo. Drag the slider bar to preview the upscaling effect. For the portraits photos, you can turn on face refinement to detect and enhance every detail to make your subject look great. Crop unwanted parts of the photo. Tap on the Save All button to fix the photo resolution. Done. Click on the Open Output Directory button to find and check the enhanced low-resolution photos by AI. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click subscribe.